Oh, hey, it's raining again. Just a few days later. Yeah, okay, well, may as well take this opportunity, I suppose. Oh yeah, I forgot about the water on the screen. Yeah. I'll probably just make this a short one though. But yeah. Raining again. Not quite as heavy as that last one. And again, I won't be walking on the mud again because I don't want to get these dirty. Oh. Can't really see the rain. But yeah, it's definitely raining. Yeah. Let's put my hood up. I'm gonna put the hood. I don't know. But yeah. It should start raining a lot more now. Considering that we are getting into like November. So very gloomy again. As it so always is in these months. What? Is that wood? Why is it so black? Huh. Weird. Oh, it's a cutting disc. Okay, it's getting windy and wet again, so... Oh god. Yeah, I won't walk on that. Not today. Yeah. Oh. Cold is definitely setting in, which is nice. I like the cold. Yeah. Although I can definitely feel the cold on my feet now. I do have an unusual tolerance to the cold. But, yeah. Yes. Not as heavy as it was yesterday. It was a lot heavier than this morning, but it did kind of calm down. Oh, okay. I'm not sure if that was stained. Oh. Actually, this whole area does actually flood under heavy rain, as it has done a few times. This whole area here will flood, and obviously all the water will just channel over there and out the front, well, out the back gate. But I think the last time that did that, we actually put some plastic to see where the flow went, to act like a boat, and it just kind of went wee. That's kind of funny. Yeah, look at me as well. My hair's sticking up. Yeah. Just gonna walk on the grass again. Oh. Yeah, I'm still outside. People are probably looking at me again, wondering what the deuce is this person doing. I mean, there's really only 3 houses that could really technically see me. It's a Friday morning though, so I'm kind of hoping that people are at work. It's kind of much. Yeah. Yeah, not really that dirty. You know, just wash the feet off. Yeah, well, we'll end it there for now. There's only so much walking I can do in the rain before people get bored, I suppose. So, but yep, rain, 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 rain. Ugh, wet again. Yeah, then again, what did I expect? I'm walking in the rain. So, yeah, I'll end it there. There's not really much to do. Obviously still waiting for it to hopefully snow at one point. That would be great, but until then I think the rain is the best you're gonna get. So yeah, thank you for watching. I shall end it there, and yeah, I'll probably make another one at some point, maybe, hopefully. Yeah, bye.